Hey, it's got my friend Kurt Taz here coming to you with another valuable Make Money Online video. Now today I'm going to show you how to make $500 per day just by sending emails. But guys, before we get started, do not hit the like button. There's my microwave going off, by the way. Do not hit the like button, the subscribe button, or anything like that until you've gotten value from this video first, alright? I don't believe in asking anybody to like my videos or subscribe, but I do believe in asking you to do that if you've gotten value first, okay? Because it's not about me getting likes on my videos or whatever. It's about me giving you value, okay? So again, today we're going to talk about how to make $500 per day just by sending emails. Now I know I haven't shaved yet, my hair's kind of messed up, and I'm still wearing the same shirt I wore when I went to bed last night. But I wanted to get up and get this video out to you before I have to work. Now, speaking of that, there are a lot of YouTubers out there who are legitimately 100% already making money online 100% full-time and not working a job. And those are the people that I learn from, and I suggest that you learn from all these people as well. Me, personally, I'm still working my job, and I'm working my online business, building that out so I can leave my job. Okay? I'm working that so I can leave my job. Now, you may be on the same journey I am. You may be doing the same thing. You may be working a job, you're on YouTube, you're searching for stuff, looking for different ways to make money from home, look for ways to make money online, and you want to get out of your job. Okay? Well, what I suggest you do is focus on your online business as if it is a real business. Focus on your online business just as you focus on your job. You treat your job as important, okay? Treat your online business as it's just as important, okay? Do not treat it like it's playtime. Too many people do that and they never succeed, okay? I am working this along with my job so I can build this up to get to a point where I want it to be at, where I can leave my job and I can focus on my online business and I can scale it up, okay? So, again, I'm not going to try to impress you by saying that I'm making $1 million a year, lying to you, saying I'm making $1 million a year, that I'm working full-time online. Too many people out there are doing that. There's too many fakers out there, too many liars, basically, that are trying to tell you that they've already made it, because they think they have to impress you by lying. See, I'm not here to try to impress you, but I want to impress upon you the things that I've learned. Things I've learned through my whole online journey, my whole home business journey. I want to impress upon you with things I've learned that have helped me get to where I'm at now, that are also going to help me get further on where I can leave my full-time job. Okay? So, back to the video, guys. We're going to talk about how to make $500 per day just by sending emails. So, I'm going to do this in a couple steps, guys. It's very simple. Just follow along. You'll be able to do this. You'll be able to have this the system set up and ready to go today. Okay? So, first thing, guys, we're going to go to an affiliate network called Digistore24. Digistore24 is similar to ClickBank, JVZoo, WordPlus. They're an affiliate network that deals in digital products. And you want to register, you want to sign up for a free account. I'll leave a link down below, guys, or you just go straight up to digistore24.com. Okay, sign up. Then you want to log in once you've verified your email. I want to log in here. By the way, if you're not using RoboForm for your password management, I highly suggest it. I use the RoboForm Everywhere option, which lets me use it on any device, anywhere, and it costs like less than $20 a year. Okay, and all my passwords are secure. Okay, so my internet's a little bit slow right now, guys. I'm on a hotel Wi-Fi, and sometimes when you're doing a video on your computer, sometimes everything else kind of freezes up. But here we are now. Now once you've logged in, guys, you're going to go to Marketplace, and you're going to go to All Offers on the Affiliate Marketplace. And then once that loads up, you're going to scroll down to Done For You Services Affiliate Marketing System, okay? Now, the reason why we're promoting this system is because, number one, this is the number 4 ranked product on Digistore24, okay? It converts very well. Now, what the creator of this product is going to do is when people purchase this product, they're actually purchasing his coaching and his help to get their whole business set up, okay? This is by Wesley Virgin, who does videos on YouTube as well. If you haven't followed his channel yet, make sure you do. He's high energy and no nonsense, no BS. He teaches a lot of great techniques on how to make money from home. So this is the product we're going to promote. So here we're going to go where the link is at. This is our affiliate link. We're going to copy that, and we're going to put it into a notepad file, which I've already got mine copied right here. Okay. Then we're going to go and click on affiliate tools. Now, if you want to look at the stats right here, guys, the average price is $779.94. 50% commission. Earnings per sale 587. I think this is Canadian dollars right here, guys. So it was about $500 US. The average earnings per card or per visitor 2078. That's the average. It's kind of like the average earnings per click or earnings per visitor, basically. It was created 28 weeks ago, so it's fairly new. It's less than a year old. There's a single payment. There's also an installment option. Again, the number 4 ranked product on the network. 6% conversion, and about 23% cancellation rate. With people, that's when people leave the cart and don't finish the order. Okay, 6% conversion is pretty good in this industry. All right, so we're gonna do now. We're gonna go ahead and go to our affiliate tools. So grab your affiliate tools here. We're gonna click that, and this is Wesley right here. Again, follow his YouTube channel, guys. If you haven't followed, he's high energy, great teacher. He'll teach you a lot of great ways to make money online. Click where it says I want to make $500 per sale. You want to put in your Digistore 24 link or your Digistore 24 ID and your email address. Click I want to get paid. So it's going to bring up the affiliate tools page. Watch this video here. He's going to show you a little bit more about how to promote this product. And then scroll down. You want to see this will show you what the funnel looks like. I'm not going to worry about that yet. This is your affiliate link right here, which should be your affiliate link will be right here. So mine will be Kurt Tassi right here. Yours will be your affiliate link, your affiliate ID. Download the best email swipes here. You can also use his Facebook ad videos. Right now, of course, in this video, we're focusing on emails. So we're going to click on the email swipes link. And it's going to pop up his email swipe. Now, to copy, sometimes with the Google Docs and the way things are, or Google Drive rather, you try to copy things, it doesn't always copy right. So I'm going to go ahead and click with Open with Google Docs, and that's going to bring up another page where it's going to be easier for me to copy the email. Okay. Now scroll down. Here's the email right here. Okay. So now, like I said, we are going to talk about how to make $500 with this sending emails. In order to do that, we need to get an email system set up. Okay. We need to use an autoresponder system. Now, Aweber is the most popular, the most feature-rich, but it's also the most expensive. You can get a free Aweber account with up to 500 subscribers. Once you go above that, they start increasing in increments. Okay. GetResponse is similar in price. I think they also offer a free option. There's also MailChimp and a few others. Some of those I use Aweber for one of my membership sites. I also use All-in-One Profits, which gives you a whole bunch of tools along with an autoresponder. And it's like you need to get their pro account, which is $21 a month, or around that, and it doesn't increase in price. Okay, it doesn't increase in price, so you can have 10 subscribers, you can have 1 million subscribers, and it's still gonna be $21 a month. All right. I also use a self-hosted one called Let's Mail, where you can just buy the software, install on your own hosting account, and just mail from there. It's going to make sure that your hosting account can actually handle the amount of emails you're going to send out. Okay, you need to set up where it's not going to blast out too many at one time and overload your server. I'll leave links to all of those down below for you guys so you can check them out. In this example, though, we're just going to use Aweber. It's one of the most simplest ones to use, and it's also one that many people are already familiar with. So right now I'm going to go to my Aweber account. This is the one I have this set up for my membership site. I'm going to go to where it says create a message. I'm going to go to HTML editor. I like to use HTML emails. For some reason, a lot of the marketers tell you that texts they convert better or they get better open rates, whatever. It could be because of spam filters. I like using HTML because it makes the email look a lot better. Okay, it's more attractive. So right now we're going to copy the subject line. Okay. We're going to paste it in to Aweber. Okay. Next, we're going to go back. We're going to copy the email body. Copy that. We're going to go back to Aweber. We're going to paste it in. Okay. Now, a couple of things that I've learned with email marketing over the years, and I've learned from different people. Russell Brunson is one of the people I follow. He's got great. He's a great teacher as far as internet marketing email goes. So if you're not following Russell Brunson, make sure you follow him as well. But a couple of things that I've learned from different people. Okay, first of all, number one is once you paste your email body in, go back to your subject, copy your subject line. and then paste it at the top of your email body. Okay. Now, I'm gonna actually make sure it's actually the same font as this as well. So there you go. Make sure it all match. Make sure your fonts all match. Okay, bold or whatever it is. Make sure it all matches. The reason I do that is because psychologically, when people open an email and they see the subject line in the body, it triggers the reason why they actually open the email in the first place, which means it's going to make them want to read it even more. Next, guys, is one thing I learned from Russell Brunson is that people are more likely to click a link in an email if it matches the subject, because they open the email because of the subject. You've got it at the top of the email body because of the subject. It's matching. And then if they see that the same line with a link, it's going to give extra reason for them to click on it and open it up. So I'm going to go back here where all these links here. I'm going to take that. I'm just going to put the subject line in there, okay? And do the same thing right here. Okay. Now, next, what to do, guys? Another little email trick that I've learned is emails read better at 18 font size. Okay, that's better font size for people to read. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the bolding here, guys, because sometimes it just. There we go. That's fine. 18 font size is a lot easier to read for most people. Okay, basically, most people working online are between the ages of 20s and 60, and a larger font, not too big, is going to be much easier for everyone to read. Okay, so next, I'm going to do, guys, I want to make a few changes to the text here. Now, first, I'm going to change my name here. I'm going to change Wes's name to my name. I'm going to change the closeout to my name here as well. And also, guys, we want to make these links more attractive. So I'm going to go ahead and of course I still got to put my own link in here, guys. These links here are not my affiliate link just yet. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to create a little kind of a makeshift arrow system here, like sorry. Kind of looks like a little bit of an arrow pointing to the link. Do the same thing here. Hey guys, you can experiment with different things too in your emails, but this is what I do. Okay. Now I also take these. I also bold them, and I highlight them. I highlight them in yellow. Nice bright highlight. Okay, I do the same thing here. This brings more attention to that link. So I'm going to bold it again, and I'm going to highlight it. Okay. Again, just a few little tricks to make your emails, make the links stand out in your emails better. So now what I need to do, guys, I'm going to go back to my affiliate link that I copied. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to add that link to, I'm going to change these two links to my actual affiliate link. All right, so click on the link chain here. I'm going to paste my link in here. Click on OK. And I paste my link in here again. Paste it in, click on OK. Alright, so now, guys, we have our complete email set up and ready to go. Okay. Now, go change these. And you can play around with different font types, guys, see what works best for you, because your list is going to be different than my list, all right? But this is basically what you want to do. You want to get the email, copy it, put the subject line in, put the subject line in the body of the email in a few places, link the subject line, and that's going to convert better, all right? So now, we're going to click on Save and Exit. And what do you guys, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to go back to this email is created. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on Schedule. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and I can just send it now if I want to, or I can change it and send it out at different times. So if I want to, I can actually just edit this here and change the time I want to send it out. I'm gonna go and just send it right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go back here, cancel that out, and click send message now. So click send now, and off it goes. Okay, now all my subscribers are going to get that email. They're going to check it out, and they buy it. Someone buys it, I make $500. Okay, so guys, that's how you make $500 a day. Now, of course, the most important thing, of course, is build an email list. There's different ways to do it. You can do it with membership sites. You can do it with giveaway events. You can do all sorts of ways to build your email list, guys. And I'll be doing other videos on that as well later on. But again, it's about just being consistent. Okay, just being consistent. Find something that's going to make you money. Learn, tweak it if you have to, but be consistent with it. All right. The more consistent you are, the more money you're going to make, and the faster you'll get out of that 9-to-5 job. Right. So let me get some of my coffee real quick, guys. So guys, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you got some value out of this video, guys. If you did get some value out of it, please give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also hit that bell notification icon so you'll be notified of every time I release a new video. And if you guys want to learn how to make a semi-passive 6-7 figures per year or per month, okay, again, there's no such thing in my mind as passive income unless you're just investing money, okay, and just letting it build itself. Most income streams are going to require some sort of work. But once you build to a certain level, it becomes semi-passive. So if you want to learn how to build a semi-passive income online from home with a real product, with real value that people want and need, down below you're going to see my #1 recommended resource for making money from home. Click on that, learn about that, you become part of my team, work with me and my team as we help change lives around the world. Okay? So with that, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a fantastic day.